I can't wait to show you what's gonna hang here. So that's even more exciting, I think. Hey guys, thank you so much for tuning in on this episode of Slick Hair TV. My name is Emil, and today we're sitting in our Copenhagen office. And if you saw last episode, I showed you how we decorated furnished our office space. And today I'll do not a typical task here, obviously. I'll drill some holes in the wall and hang up this bar hanger for t-shirts and some garments that we're working on. I'm actually wearing one today. I'll show you later on, but first we need to get this installed horizontal. So I got some tools with me. I'll see if I can do it by myself and show you how easy it is to actually execute this task if you have the right tools. I don't know what this is called, but it makes sure that it's horizontal installed. And I'll start finding the place in the wall where I want it to start, and then I'll balance it so I know it's for sure in the right direction. I put on some gloves so I don't scratch the wall. I don't want to do any second paint job here, but let's say it's here. It's the ideal placement. And now I have the screw, so I'll use that for the mark in the wall. And once that's done, it's time to drill the first hole in the wall. Wet wipes to make sure you don't make a mess all over the place. Well, hello neighbors. I don't know what these are called, but they definitely make sure that the screw is not running anywhere. And I don't hope anyone is in a Skype call next door. We'll definitely have some noise on the line. Anyway, I need the screwdriver. Cameraman? Thanks. I'm gonna just hand it over. I would actually say this is a two-man job. So this only takes around 15 minutes and you'll save a few $100 on top of that. It's actually fun to execute some different tasks. Just pinch through the glove. I don't care about this one. It's one use, so it doesn't matter. And here we have a hole to drill after. Check it out. It's a little bit uneven. Maybe it's the wall, I don't know. But definitely it's going to look great. Actually, I could have a little bit of help, but it makes it more fun to try to do it yourself. Wouldn't you agree? Now to the drilling mania. Just gonna dig in here. So that's the other part. I don't know if I'm hitting any wires or anything. Light is still on. Now it's time to install the hanger. And here you would like to have some free hands. Here a few rounds here, and I can't wait to show you what's gonna hang here. So that's even more exciting, I think. We have developed so many nice things, and among them, of course, we have the sunglasses, but we have a collection of skincare coming out as well. And here I already said that we have this t-shirt brand. It's not only a t-shirt brand, it's a clothing brand. T-shirts, it's just a start. Now for a short coffee break. I think it's installed and it's not going anywhere. So now I'm excited to show you what's gonna hang on this beautiful bar hanger. Let's check it out. Bring in the box with the secret sauce. Oh, look at this. Look at this. T. Albrechtsson. Love that brand name. It reminds me of my surname, so let's hang it up here. Let's check it out. I'm not gonna talk much about this collection here in this video, but I'm going to show you what it's all about. Now they can all beautifully hang here. in our office space. And as far as I calculated, there you have it. So yeah, yes, well, I do have a little announcement here with this brand, because it's something that we worked on during the COVID times. We still have it, I know, but you have to think outside the box, and creating a t-shirt collection under our own brand name, it's just a dream coming true. And this is created with 100% organic cotton, and it contains 5% elastane, so it's very soft to wear, and it's fitted, and I like to have some comfortable clothes on. So and then as for the colors, we went a little bit outside the box. We still have the black and white, but you can tell that different colors here in the assortment. And the good news is that we are launching it pretty soon, but everything is also as inventory, and right now we're just working on the launch strategy. Right now it's going to be in the pipeline in spring. So that's all for today, and I'm looking forward to hear what you think about me as a handyman. Should I quit my job and go on full time? Let me know about that. Stay tuned here on the channel. See you guys next time.